In this session, we will discuss about what is the proof of the relation between the beta and gamma. So here we know that beta of m comma n equal to factorial m negative 1 time factorial n negative 1 upon factorial m plus n negative 1. It is our equation first. So here we know that gamma m equal to factorial m negative 1 and gamma n equal to factorial n negative 1 and gamma m plus n equal to factorial m plus n negative 1. So now here we can say gamma m time gamma n upon gamma m plus n. So now you can see that factorial m negative 1 time factorial n negative 1 upon factorial m plus n negative 1. It is our equation 2. So now here from equation 1 and 2 we get beta m comma n equal to gamma m time gamma n upon gamma m plus n. So here you can see that we have to prove that, and we can say hence proof. So if you like this video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.